So obviously, mate, you've written into the show, near to hand with a couple of things. Slightly worried because it's a massive house, which always means massive jobs.
Yeah.
Where do you want us to start?
Oh, the garage is always a problem.
The garage?
Yeah.
All right,
yeah.
why don't you show us and we'll see
Love
what
to.
we've got.
Yeah, love
We'll lead the way, shall we? To be honest, this is not really like a bad setup already.
I mean, we've seen the worst of it.
I need to be a bit more organised.
Okay.
I'd like to be able to get the 2 cars in.
Yeah.
But at the moment, it just doesn't work for me.
It's
So
just stuff.
I'd love to give you a little bit of a budget to help me out and
Yep.
rearrange things and get me some better organisation.
I think Dani's right. So you've already kind of like made the first step and you've got a great workshop. I mean, lots of people would be envious of that.
Yeah.
But I think we need to just kind of take it to the next level.
Love you too.
Because this was also your #1 request when you wrote into the
Yeah,
show
it was.
to get the garage organised and sorted. And especially we're opening up, life's getting really hectic, it's not going to get easier.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
So
Yeah.
organisation from here on out will be key. I'm pumped, we can definitely do
Kids'
this.
sports gear or yours?
Bit of both.
Bit of
Yeah,
both.
Bit of both.
Well, in that case, you can help us bump it all out
Yeah.
then.
Love to.
Let's get to
All
work.
right.
Dani, I think this is like our 6th garage makeover we've done now.
I mean, that's a lot.
I love doing
It's a lot
them.
of stuff.
And the difference it can make to the homeowners and to you as well and to us is just huge. Like
Yeah.
just getting your life organised is amazing.
Definitely, and I think I was reflecting as I was taking some stuff outside, this process can be so overwhelming.
Yeah.
And especially, we're coming into Rob's home, we're deconstructing his garage life.
But the difference it can make is massive because, you can just organise stuff, sports gear, you can have the drawer for all your miscellaneous junk throughout the house in the drawer.
There is
So
a drawer.
You know where that drawer is and it's dedicated.
Planning the garage storage makeover is absolutely key. You need to measure up the space, know what you've got to work with, and have a really good think about what you're ultimately wanting to achieve. Do you want open shelves or closed storage?
Yeah.
Do you need a workbench? And also consider the things that don't come out all the time.
So the thing is, you have to make sure you measure. And Dani's right, it's all about the planning. So once you've measured your space, have a bit of think about what you want to achieve here. What we do is we jump onto this website, which is pinnacle.net.au, and here, where you can see all the different units they have available, everything from shelving through to storage cabinets to workbenches. I mean, make a bit of a shopping list on this site. Then take a shopping list to Bunnings because you can actually buy it all there, and then you kind of know and ensure that you're going to hit the mark right on the head when it comes to the measurements, but also for that functionality, which this space really needs as well.
I'm getting so excited seeing all the goodies coming out of the van today. We have got big plans for Rob's garage. So we'll be back later in the show to see how it's all coming together. Now, earlier in the show, we got to work on a little bit of a garage makeover for our homeowner Rob and his wife Karen today. Now, things weren't terrible in here by any means, but Rob did say that he wanted a little bit more organisation. So you can see we've got some shelves, which we've been able to retain. We've added a heap of workbench space and some better tool storage as well, and also some lockable cabinets. So Walt's getting started on the tubs here, and then we're going to start to recategorise everything.
There we go. What do you reckon? Good job?
Fantastic job.
How great is it?
Unbelievable. I can't believe how it's changed so much.
It looks really, really good. I mean, obviously
does.
you'd already made a start on all of this. We kind of added to that, haven't
Yeah.
we, Dani? You gave us a bit of a budget.
Come in a little bit over, but
A little bit over.
Us? No.
Minor details. But I mean, we've extended what you already started here, and I feel like it just feels like a really cool boutique office workshop.
It's great, and to be able to have the ease of access and the organisation that this has brought to it, it is just fantastic. And to be able to come out here and work in space,
art.
yeah.
Is that you?
That's me, yeah.
Is that you? I thought it was one of your kids.
No, it's me, yeah.
Lockdown hobby at its finest, and you'd be able to hang those now in that space as well.
That'd
So
be a great
good.
idea, yeah.
We have used Pinnacle a lot on this show. Like, it's our
Yeah.
staple garage makeover, and it's for a reason because it just looks amazing.
Yeah.
And having everything categorised, organised. We hope that this brings you many weekends of happiness, and you can get 2 cars in here too.
Yeah.
I set you a challenge and you've delivered unbelievably, so thank you very much.
Aw,
High
thank you
five,
very
Dani. I
much.
mean, no
high
big deal.
five. I need COVID high fives. Now remember, the key measure, plan and design. You can do all of that online at pinnacle.net.au and then head to your local Bunnings to pick it all up.
Yeah, and as you grow and as your wants and needs change, you can add the different modular systems from Pinnacle. That's why we love it on this show. So we'll leave you with this one, mate.
Thank you very much.
Pleasure.
Good job, Dani.
Oh, good job, Walt.